Do you want to make your lighting go from this to this, which is the click of one button? Keep on watching to find out. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new ring light that I got. The brand is Qiaya, I think it is. I'm not sure. It came via Amazon and the company reached out to me wanting to know if I wanted to give it a try. But heck yeah. So taking off the plastic, I heard this might be tricky to put together. I'm not sure, but I wanted to show you how this goes together. I've had a few ring lights in my life. I genuinely like them. The only issue is that they tend to be a little pricey. This one is super affordable. I'll put the pricing right here. Well, that's a pretty good size. And it comes with a few different accessories. It comes with a tripod, a phone holder, the buckles to actually hold the tripod in place, a power cable, Bluetooth remote. That's the base. This is the part that connects to the base, so you just twist that together. Now, if you've never had a tripod before, any kind of like holder, these parts here, you just move them so that you get extra length. Okay, so it can get longer or shorter depending on what you want, and then you just snap them in place to hold that length. We can twist this part right here to put the ring light on it. Okay, I'm supposed to take this out, so unscrew this part for the phone holder, twist that way. You have to make sure the thread is on the same side. So now you just tighten that, open like that, and then you slide it on to the base. This is a little tricky, but you'll see there's only really one way to do it. So slide that in just like that, see? And then you can snap it closed. Okay, so I've set the tripod up with the wall behind me that I would normally record on. You still have to plug this in, so plug that in here. The options are to choose a white light, a blended light, and a natural light. The plus and the minus are to adjust the brightness. Side note, this is the sturdiest cell phone holder that I have on any of my tripods. All right, so let's turn it on. Okay, so I adjusted that so it is hitting my face a little bit better. Let's play with that. Ooh, that is bright. Bright, bright, bright. See if we can make it brighter though. Okay, next one. Ooh, I like this one. Let's see. All right, so this is probably the one I would use. There's a white light, a blended light, and a natural light. I think this is the natural light. At least it feels like it to me. And I'm gonna turn this off. So now you can see the difference. So this is with the ring light on, off, on, off. It makes a huge difference. This is super affordable. Honestly, if you are starting or if you really need like a smaller ring light to travel with you, I highly recommend this. This is such a good light. I am genuinely impressed by this. The lighting is so good. I don't have my normal backdrop up, but I don't think it matters because I wanted to be able to show you with a white backdrop, like just what a difference this makes. So let's see. This is really, really good. And then if you want to take like close-up photos, look at that. You can see all the oiliness on my face. This is an incredible ring light at a really good price. I'm gonna put a link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.